There's something for everyone here at Daniel Morgan.
What would be a better way to learn about a career I'm interested in?
I just thought this would be a fun class to take.
They have different subjects and different activities.
You don't get very many options to do this in many other schools.
It just made me very interested.
From welding and electricity to cosmetology, media technology to the health sciences, IT, law enforcement, mechanics, and more. You've got the chance to try out your dream job before graduating high school.
I took this classes because I am actually trying to become a successful self-made entrepreneur.
I've always wanted to go into the healthcare field, and I felt like taking Health Science 1 and 2 would just be a good start.
We've learned about laws and amendments, stuff that, normal classes don't teach you.
I want to be a video editor or a cameraman for like a news channel.
Learning about what I want to do.
I do want to do it in the future.
I like being able to take a whole bunch of just random shots and making them make sense.
You can come here and learn about that certain thing.
I am starting to learn how to make a social media marketing business.
Be working on, I think, houses next.
Teach me how to use editing software and how to use cameras.
We get to take other people's pulse, respiration, blood pressure. It's just like hands-on activities.
I can take a normal picture and I can change it to how I view it in my head.
We've gone over handcuffing. We're currently learning about traffic stops and how useful they are and how we operate on them.
Trying this out like I did with auto tech, just getting a feel for certain stuff.
I was thinking about taking media technology, but I'm not sure. I might take graphics too, or both.
If you're interested in becoming a first responder at all, come try the class out.
Your normal school, it might be fun because you have friends, but those are the friends you are probably used to unless you're a new student, so you meet a lot of new people.
I can get along with everybody in here. We have a good time.
You get Spartan High people that come over, so you get to make new friends that are around.
And if you really love it, many of our classes offer certifications, saving you money and letting you work in high-paying jobs, either in school or immediately after graduating.
You can get certified for anything. You can go on job sites. You'll be able to make money while you work in school.
You can get certifications on nearly all of the classes, and that'll help you later on if you want a job.
We already got our OSHA certification, which is like a lifelong certification, and then we got a 2-year CPR certification.
I'll probably get a pipe certification, a boiler tube certification, welding certificate.
If you get them done in high school, you don't got to do them in college.
It's a good opportunity. You can get your cosmetology license before you graduate and get your diploma, and be ready for the future before you even graduate, and you can save money.
Next year I'm taking Health Science 3, which is basically the college level anatomy class, and then senior year I do CNA, and then after that I could go to the medical field instantly, or it would do good with college.
It's a good trade to get into.
You can go to trade school, save a bunch. Don't have to go to college for that.
If you go like to a hair school outside of like your school, it's gonna cost like way more.
You can get a really good job. That's the main reason. You can come here and learn about a whole bunch of stuff, and it also gives hands-on experience.
It's just like a better experience than normal school.
Rather than just sitting doing work all day.
I respect it to be more of an adult here than anything else.
You won't ever get sleepy in here.
You're actually learning about stuff that you want to learn about.
The teachers here are amazing.
He'll teach you some things that you wouldn't know.
He will show you all the basics, and he'll build you up step by step.
He keeps us motivated and he helps us.
You'll learn a lot.
On top of that, we have a good time. We work out, we laugh, we joke. It's like a small little family in here.
So you're always in the shop. You're always welding or cutting or doing something hands-on.
Daniel Morgan is more fun.
It got me inspired.
It's just a good opportunity.
It's just fun around here, just to learn and just to have fun with friends.
Coming here would probably be the best thing for you.
You meet a lot of new people. It's a lot of opportunities that you can't get at your regular school, and you get to experience new things.
Want to learn more? We're here to answer your questions.